What's Welcome to Vlog. I did not know the number, but it's Vlog after where we saw the movie Escape Plan. That movie was pretty good. And yeah, so you should go see it if you like, sort of like, not really action movies. I don't know, whatever. Well, yeah. I don't know. So, sort of like stealthy type things, whatever. But today, it's Saturday, and it's raining. It was raining really hard, but now it's stopped. It's like drizzling very, very slightly. But today my parents are gonna go to Charleston. I think, yeah. It's my mom's birthday today. They're gonna go to Charleston. They're gonna come back Sunday night, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna be here with my brother. Okay. I'm gonna be here with my brother, or my two brothers, for the weekend. Okay, it's like 6:10. It was actually just when I looked right before I started this, it was 6:08, but I just said 6:10, whatever, PM, of course. But yeah, in Africa, it's like 10:30 in like South Africa. I looked it up and all that, whatever. So, I'm here at the house by myself, but I'm with the animals and some bugs. I'm sure a lot of bugs, a lot that I can't see, and a lot that I could see, but I can't find them. Whatever. So, yeah. I don't know what to do.